Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change the names of general ledger accounts in NetSuite. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials, and let's get started. So the first thing I need to do is to navigate to the accounts list. So to do that I can go to List, Accounting and Accounts. So here you can see the different accounts in your list that you are familiar with. And then you will just need to select an account. So let's say I will check this one and I will click on Edit. Don't forget to visit kolleno.com for more information and tools to enhance your accounting processes. And once you're on that screen for the account, you can see the name field, and I want to rename debt by department. So I just change the name here in the name field. This is the name that will appear on the income statements and in list. Optionally, you can enter a description in the description field for internal use. I will click on Save. And if you find this video helpful, please like it. By following these steps, you can easily change the names of your general ledger accounts in NetSuite. NetSuite will automatically update existing records with the new account name. Thank you for watching.